you're falling with the rain.
Hello guys, it is Sam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a glow up vlog, and I would say 24-hour glow up, but it's not going to be because I'm filming a different video for today and I actually have no time today to do a 24-hour glow up. So I'm gonna film the first part now and then the rest of the glow up probably in like a week. But I want to add this into the video because I'm getting my hair done and I feel like it's the perfect time to start the glow up video. Not that I have to get my hair done to have a glow up, but I don't know, I feel like it'll be a full glow up and my hair desperately needs a haircut. There's like so many like fried pieces and like split ends that I like really need to get one. I don't know exactly what I want to get done yet. I'm thinking maybe a butterfly cut, but then at the same time I also want curtain bangs and I also want long layers, and I just don't know. I left my hair really greasy and that's like kind of embarrassing. But whenever I get my hair done, they do such a good job at washing it, so I was like, I'm not gonna wash it, just get it re-washed in like 10 hours. This was like my thought process last night. So I'm going into this with no idea of what I want and greasy hair, but it's okay because that's just gonna make the glow up that much better. So let's go to the hairstylist. Let's get my hair done. It is currently 8:42 and it's 20 minutes away and my appointment's at 9, so we need to go like right now. Okay, this is the hair. And I love it. I am so happy. So I ended up doing a straight haircut, no layers, and face framing because my hairdresser said it was gonna help with the volume. And I think she's right. Like, I am obsessed with how this looks. I went to a new hairdresser because the one that I was going to at my salon is on like leave right now. So I went to a new girl and I was a little scared. My mom goes to her all the time. I just get a little scared when it comes to my hair, especially because it was falling out rapidly. And she gave me so many good tips. And she also gave me this Paul Mitchell Extra Body Sculpting Foam for volume in my hair that will help it like hold a curl. And she put it in, and let me tell you, first of all, it smells so good, and second of all, it actually is working. Like, my hair is holding a curl, and this is progress for my hair because it literally never holds a curl for more than 5 seconds after I curl it, and this is staying. So I'm very happy. I think the length is very good and I feel very refreshed for my hair, and it feels very healthy, which I love. The next step to this little routine is going to be getting my nails done. My nails look insane right now. Please look at these. One is broken, the rest are just really grown out, and I just really need to get them done. And I also need to get a pedicure. I'm actually doing this tomorrow with my friend Madison, but I'm filming the little clip now so I don't forget to do it tomorrow. I don't know necessarily what I want to do for my nails. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, spring is coming, so I feel like I'm gonna do something along like a pastel color, but I'm gonna look on Pinterest and find some inspo, and then we're gonna go get our nails done. I got my nails done and I'm obsessed. I went with this like pastel spring green color and I think they look so good and so fresh. I got them a little shorter just because I like them to grow out a little longer, if that makes sense, so that it's easier for me to edit and type when I'm at work and stuff like that. Now we're going to move on to the next part of this glow up, which is actually going to the gym. For a glow up, I feel like it's also really important to do a internal glow up, and for me an internal glow up is to pick out a cute gym outfit and go to the gym. And that leads me to today's video sponsor, which is Halara. If you guys know me, you know I love Halara's clothes, and if you don't know what Halara is, they are a workout inspired clothing brand, and I am so excited to share these pieces with you because not only is it comfortable, not only are they durable, but they are also so cute and stylish, and they make more than just workout clothes, which I think is amazing. But I figured that this would be a perfect time to show you guys these clothes because I am about to go to the gym, and personally I love their workout clothes and I think they are so good, and they're also sweat proof, which I think is amazing because I never have to worry about sweat coming through my clothes and being seen, if that makes sense. And I of course have a 15% off code for you guys, so you can use my code Costa at checkout for 15% off, and I will have everything linked down below as usual. With all that being said, let's get into these pieces because I'm so excited and cannot wait to show you. So starting off with one of my favorite pieces, we have these little leggings. Now, I love these leggings. First of all, I love the stretch on them and I love how durable and comfortable they are. I feel like nowadays it's really hard to find a good comfortable pair of leggings that is thick but also is very sweat proof and very cozy and comfortable at the same time. So this is what they look like. I love the material. I love how there's a little waistband right here that stretches, and it also has the little scrunch, which I really like as well. It has some cool texture on the side, like lining here, and I'm obsessed with these. I did get these in a size small and I wear these literally all the time to the gym. The next thing I got since spring is coming up and since summer is coming up is just this little pair of white shorts. I love these. I think they're so cute and stylish, and I really want to wear them with like a pink little shirt, which I'll show you guys in a minute. I've been seeing these everywhere on Pinterest, and they are a very nice material, and they are not see-through, which is amazing. For size reference, I got these in a size medium. Personally, I like when my shorts are flowier. The next thing I got is also another pair of shorts. Look at this color. I am obsessed. First of all, this just screamed spring to me. I feel like this color kind of matches my nails, and I feel like I would wear these more as like a pajama short or going on a walk type of short, but they are super comfortable. They are super stretchy, and I love the material. It's like this little band, and then they flow out, and I like the little lining on the edge. I just think these are adorable, and I'm very excited to wear these. And for size reference, I did get these in a size small. Next thing I got is the shirt I was talking about. So this is a pink little crop top. First of all, I love this. It's like a sports bra, and I love it because it's long sleeve. Personally, I don't have many long sleeve sports bras. It's also padded, which is great because I don't have to wear a bra underneath. It's very stretchy, and it's like that athletic material, which I really like. And personally, I would pair this with either a pair of leggings or like those white shorts that I showed you guys. I got this in a size medium, and I'm literally obsessed with the color. I feel like pink is very in right now. As you guys know, I love the color pink. I love everything coquette. So when I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, that's adorable. Going along with the pink theme, I got this little sports bra. This color is very coquette to me, and I love this because of the back. I think that is such a cute style to wear, and especially in the summer and the spring. I'm excited to actually start wearing sports bras without a t-shirt over it. Personally, that's a little hard for me just because I'm not the most confident person, but I'm trying to get myself to be there, so I'm excited to give it a try. And I don't know, I just think this is very cute, very girly. I got this in a size medium. It's very soft, but I literally wear it all the time to the gym, and it is very supportive as well, which I really appreciate. The next thing I got are a pair of pants. I'm obsessed with these pants. These kind of remind me of parachute pants. I wouldn't say they're necessarily parachute pants, but they're perfect, and I love them. They're like the perfect lounge pant. So I got these in a size small, and they look like this. They are very flowy, and they are the most comfortable pair of pants I've ever put on my body. They're so stretchy. I love the material, and also the color is beautiful. Again, gives me very like pastel spring vibes, and that's kind of what I was going for. I think that just styling this with like a cute little crop top or a cute little long sleeve is just so cute and so cozy, and I am literally obsessed. This material, I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it when I felt it, and then when I put it on my body, I was like, wait, it feels so sleek and so soft, but looks so good. So I'm obsessed with it and would definitely recommend these. The next pair of pants that I got is another pair of leggings, and these are very similar to the first pair I showed you, but they're just pink. So they look like this. I love this color so much. I got these in a size small, and I think they are adorable. They do have the little scrunch as well, and the waistband is a little thicker, but they are very stretchy and very, very durable. And I think that, again, when I'm going to the gym, I really appreciate when a pant is durable, so I don't have to worry about sweating through them, if that makes sense. The last thing I got is another pair of pants. I got these in a size small, and they're this gray jogger. They are very stretchy. It's a little bit of a different material, but I do really like them, and they do have the little cuff on the bottom. Personally, I wouldn't necessarily wear these to the gym, but I would wear them over shorts like in the winter if I was going to the gym or on a walk outside or something like that. I do really like these, and they are very comfortable. I just don't know how to describe the material, but if you can hear it, that's kind of what the material sounds like. But trust me, it is very comfortable when you put it on. That's everything I got from Halara. I'm absolutely obsessed with every item, and something that's also cool is they also have dresses, they have skirts, they have long sleeve tops, they have short sleeve tops, they have tennis skirts. Literally anything you can think of, they probably have it if it relates to clothing. So I would definitely recommend going on their website because you can definitely find something you like if you didn't see anything you like already. And make sure to use my code COSTA for 15% off your order at checkout. Thank you again to Halara, and with that being said, I'm gonna go put on a gym outfit. Now, personally, I'm not gonna wear a sports bra that's visible, but I will be wearing one of their pieces. Like I said, it's a little hard for me sometimes, so I just like to wear a comfortable sports bra from Halara and then put a t-shirt over it. But I think I'm going to wear these little leggings to the gym, or these ones. I'm not sure what top I have to match these, so I have to see if it's out of the wash, and if it's out of the wash, I might wear these. But going to pick out one of these, and then I'm going to wear this little cutie sports bra underneath with a t-shirt, and we are going to go to the gym. Again, I think it's really important for a glow up to also focus on the internal parts of the glow up and not just the appearance, because for me personally, when I feel my best on the inside, that's when I personally feel the most confident. So with that being said, let's pick out my outfit and go to the gym. Gym outfit is on. This is Halara. I'm wearing the little Halara sports bra. This is Princess Polly, and the sneakers. Let's go to the gym. from the gym. I just did a very simple workout today. I did arms and then some cardio. It was like a 45-minute workout, but it really does help me feel better and I do feel refreshed internally now. The next thing I'm going to do is take an everything shower, and I wanted to share some of the products that I do use within my everything showers. First things first, I am obsessed with the Extra Volume Biotin and Collagen shampoo and conditioner. This is the one I've been using for a very long time and it has done wonders for my hair. So this is what I use for shampoo and conditioner. For body scrubs, I really like to use the Tree Hut scrubs and I change them out all the time. I like the vanilla one a lot. It looks like this. This is a new one, but I have one in my shower as well and it smells so good. I'm literally just obsessed with it and I highly recommend. So this is what I use for body scrub. For shaving, I just like to use the Athena Club little razor. I love this and it does a very good job at like keeping everything very smooth with no razor bumps. And then I also like to switch between the Athena Club shaving cream and the EOS shaving cream. I really like this one, so I would honestly recommend both. I love both. For soap and like washing my face, I use the Dove Sensitive Skin body wash and I love this stuff so much. It literally does wonders for my face. Then when I get out of the shower, I first use this honey infused leave-in conditioner. It looks like this. I love this stuff. It smells so good. I also do like to use Miracle's Hen leave-in conditioner as well, so I kind of switch between the two. And then right after I use that, I brush through my hair with my Tangle Teaser brush and I love this thing. I feel like less of my hair falls out when I do use this brush. So this is the one I've been using lately. And then I like to use the Paul Mitchell Extra Body Sculpting Foam when my hair is wet, and I literally sit there and I make sure every single piece of my hair has this product in it. It really helps for volume and it helps my hair to hold a curl, so I've been using this lately. And then lastly, after my shower, I like to do a gua sha and face roller, and then after that I like to use the Snail Repair Intense Gold Eye Gel Patches. They look like this and they look very pretty. So that is what I consider a everything shower and like my shower / after shower skincare hair care routine. I'm going to let my hair kind of just air dry a little bit before I actually do anything to it. Like I told you guys, I'm going to use this little product. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm just not going to try because I'll definitely say it wrong. This stuff smells so good. I ran out of conditioner. I literally only had like a drop left, so I have to use a lot of this today. I'm just gonna quickly brush through my hair as gently as possible. But as you can tell, this brush and that little leave-in conditioner is so good and literally works wonders for my hair, even if I don't use conditioner in the shower, which is kind of crazy if you ask me, because my other brush would have just completely ripped it out, and that is obviously not good. And honestly, that got the knots out very well. Oh my gosh, I'm like really happy. I'm going to let my hair air dry now. The next step to this little glow up routine is to brush my teeth. I like to use Crest whitening strips, and then I also like to use Crest 3D white, and then I want to whiten my teeth. So I have these Crest 3D whitening strips. Basically, you just leave these on for 30 minutes after you clean your teeth and it whitens them. So first I'm gonna brush my teeth so I can make sure they're clean. Then I'm gonna do mouthwash. And then I'm going to put on the whitening strips because I've been wanting to whiten my teeth for a while and I just keep putting it off. So today's the perfect day to do it. Them in, but I can't really talk, so I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then come back.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
Just whitened my teeth and I'm already feeling so much better. Normally I would self-tan, but I actually ran out of every single self-tanner that I can use. And the only other ones that I have I'm actually allergic to, so obviously I'm not going to self-tan today, but normally I would. Right now I'm going to continue to just let my hair air dry a little bit, and then as soon as it gets a little more dry, I'm going to put some product in it and we're going to style it and do my makeup. My hair is finally dry, or almost dry, and I'm going to put this in and I'm going to try to do rollers on my hair. I don't know if this is gonna work. The keyword is try, but I really hope it does because I've always wanted to have a really nice blowout look, and I'm hoping that with this new haircut and no layers and kind of learning how to style my hair that I'll be able to. So let's give this a try.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running.
I do not think this is gonna work at all, but we're just gonna trust the process and hope for the best, but this is definitely not how you do it. So somebody please help me and tell me how to fix this. Definitely not the best thing I've ever done, but it's honestly not horrible, and I was expecting a lot worse, so we'll take it. The next little step to my routine to glow up, even though my hair kind of looks crazy, using this little hair perfume. This is the honey infused hair perfume floral edition. It looks like this. It smells so good. Now we are going to do my makeup. This is like the last part of my little glow up routine, and I do feel a lot better. I really wish I knew how to style my hair, but it could be worse. That's at least what I'm telling myself. My foundation is like ran out, so this is how I get the product out right now, okay? I'm going to quickly run through my makeup.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile, hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
Final makeup is done. I think it looks really pretty. I don't know about the hair. I'm like trying to fix it, but I don't really know how to. I think it looks like a messy blowout, if that makes sense. Like it's kind of doing something, but it's not really doing anything. But I still do feel a lot better, so that was the point of this video. Let me know if you guys liked this video. Personally, I love doing glow ups, and I have another one coming up that is going to be really exciting, and it has to do with a video that I already posted. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment a lotion emoji, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.